Hello, Jason here. Now the last video was entitled Shared Septic Tank Problems, and this video is called Shared Septic Tank Solutions. So as it states, if you're on a shared septic tank system, I'm about to show you in the next 2 or 3 minutes how to completely cut yourself off from your neighbor's septic tank and end that nightmare of problems that comes with being on a shared system. So here we go. So here we've got two houses here. Okay, so here is house one, and all their waste leaves the house, as we said yesterday, goes into the septic tank, and there's house two, and all their waste goes into the septic tank. Now yesterday I explained all the problems associated with this, so let me show you a really simple solution. So the first thing you need is a septic tank and soakaway kit, and they come in a variety of sizes. You can get 1 to 2 bedroom, 3 to 4, 5 to 6 and 7 to 8. And these kits come complete with the septic tank, they come with the soakaway, with the German inspection chamber and all the pipework, and they only take about an hour or two to put in. So just think about that for a second. You can cut yourself off from your neighbour's septic tank in literally 1 to 2 hours. Let me show you how to do that. Okay, so here we've got the two houses again, so let's now focus on your house. All right, so here we go. So this is your house here. So the first thing you need to do is to decide where you're going to put your septic tank. Once you've done that, you need to dig the hole for your septic tank. All right, so let me just zoom out a bit so you can see. All right, so let's say you're going to put your tank here, okay? Then the next thing you'd do is dig a trench from your inspection chamber, right, which is here, and at the moment you've got a pipe coming out from it going to your neighbour's septic tank, but you're going to dig a trench from here all the way to your hole that you've dug for your septic tank. All right, now when you've done that, you're now going to put your septic tank into the hole like so. Now these tanks that we're talking about, let me just spin around here and get an aerial view for you. Now these tanks that I'm talking about, these are low profile septic tanks. So what that means is they're really shallow. They don't need concreting, and they just backfilled with gravel, and they're really, really easy to install. Once you've done that, you then connect a pipe from your inspection chamber. If I just zoom out there we go. From your inspection chamber to the tank, just like that, right? So once you've done that, you need to dig 2 more holes. So if I just come here and zoom in a bit more, you need 2 more holes, right? You need 1 more hole for the German inspection chamber, and then you need a hole for the drainage field crates, right? And once you've got your German inspection chamber, that literally just fits straight into the hole like so. So let me zoom in on that for you. Again, this is really easy to connect to the tank. You literally just run a pipe from the tanks straight into the inspection chamber. So let me just find out where there it is there. I just couldn't find the pipe. There we go. So you just put that straight into the inspection chamber there like so. Then next it gets even easier from here. So from here, the next thing that you do is lay one of the drainage field crates into the hole like so. And then from the German inspection chamber, you just run a pipe from there straight into the drainage field crates. It goes in about, I don't know, a foot, half a foot, something like that. Then the next thing is you just add the other crates. So there we go, into the hole, just like so. So if I zoom out a minute and show you what that looks like. So that's what it looks like from above. Then you just cover everything with membrane. So let me zoom out now and give you an aerial view. All right, so here we go. So now you've got your new septic tank and soakaway in. Took you what, about an hour, 2 hours to do. Then what you do, you cover everything over with soil. It really is that easy. So we cover the hole for the drainage field crates over. We cover the hole over with soil for the German inspection chamber, and then we cover the hole in, fill the hole in for the tank, and then you fill the trench in that goes to the inspection chamber. And then last of all, and this is probably the best bit of all, right, you then disconnect the pipe leading from your house to your neighbour's septic tank, right? And this is really easy to do. Just bam, just like that, right? And so there you go. You're free. You are now free from your being connected to your neighbour's septic tank. So he's your neighbour. If I just go to there, your neighbour has got his own septic tank and soakaway, right? And you have got your own septic tank and soakaway. And so that's how easy it is to cut yourself off from your neighbour's system. Now, how cool is that? How much will it cost you? Well, if you've got a firm in to put a septic tank and soakaway in for you, it costs you anywhere from 10 to 15,000 quid. In this instance, a septic tank and soakaway kit was about £1,499, so it's about £13,000 cheaper than getting a firm in to do it for you. So there you go. I hope that's helped. In fact, I know it's helped because it helped me get out of the situation I was in when I was connected to a shared septic tank, and it helps people. I help people do this every day of the week, every week of the year. So listen, thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video today. If you'd like to see more free videos, then just go to septictank.co.uk, or if you go to my YouTube channel, Septic Tank TV, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, you'll be in with a chance to win a free septic tank and soakaway kit. So listen, you take care, you stay safe, and I'll speak to you soon. For more information, just click the link below this video, or visit septictank.co.uk for free help and advice.